Hi, I'm Scott Randolph. This is my wife Mary from Randolphs Salon in Michigan. We have 3 locations, and today we want to tell you about Giovanni from Tearsheet.
We just had Giovanni into our salon for a one-day class on photo shooting for Instagram and any social media platform. And it was just hugely impactful. It was just really a way to switch up our education and bring something different, sort of exciting and sexy and new and what's really happening to our team. So it's not just a technical skill, but it's a skill for upping their game in the social media business.
Yeah, it really fit itself in the niche that we have been able to get, and we've had the best of the best of the best in over the years. And he found a way to inspire and educate our people that helped to bring up not only their brand, but bring up our company's brand through social media with some really amazing tips to make it look, just take all that to this level higher. And our purpose today was just to let everybody know it was really, we didn't expect the impact that we got, and we'd encourage everybody to give us some consideration because we were very happy with it.
Yeah, it's bigger, better, and different. Thanks.